I got on record mode. Hold up. Record those. Chill with the bros. I rather chill with the bros, split my meal with the bros before I split it with some hoes. Shows, officer, I don't talk to po-pos. We tryna get money and keep them in our clothes. Gotta stuff them, gotta hustle, now how it goes. Yeah, hustle all over the globe, heat all over the stove. Talking to global warming, we getting them O's. I ain't talking about no Oreos. Fuck with rich bitches, no sorry hoes. Fuck with rich bitches, no sorry hoes. And if she broke, yeah, I'm sorry to mama, I gotta go. Yeah, gotta go, yeah, adios. See them laws, yeah, every time we didn't spoke. Yeah, we don't speak. I'ma keep the shit street, I'ma keep the shit discreet. I'ma get this money, I'ma run to it like an athlete. But I don't play sports, but it seems like sports after me. Fuck. I know that whole dick. Damn, that bean I just had. Man, it's so sick as fuck out right now. What's the name of that hoe, man? Let me see if it's the same one. It's probably down here, yeah, there you go, boom. Pump that hoe fast, no.
I really want Tyler to hear this shit, though.
What beat is that from?
Schoolboy Q. Fucking you up, huh?
I like that.
Schoolboy Q on your ass.
Schoolboy Q. Say the hook one time for him, bud.
Tyler, you gonna listen to this hoe real quick? He always got this crazy ass vibe. I'm jumping just like a kangaroo. You ain't see the look in dog eyes before he shot. Niggas be bumping and bumping, we gon' show them what they got through. Mr. Officer, I don't know what the fuck they talking about, that shit is not true. I'm on a mission for the cash.
On a mission for the cash. Yeah, gotta snatch and grab.
She don't listening though.
All right, listen again, but I'm gonna run the chorus twice, and then you gonna, and I'm gonna say that little part, and then you gonna come with your, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What does he say though? I'm jumping just like a kangaroo. You ain't see the look in dog eyes before he shot. Niggas be bumping and bumping, we gon' show them what that Glock do. Mr. Officer, I don't know what the fuck they talking about, that shit is not true.
Yeah, shit is not true. Talking about I'm trying to get a blessing like hot shoe. When I see them laws in the sky, I'm the parachute. Watch me land in the house, yeah, fair swoop. Yeah, fair swoop. Talking about I ain't trying to get hit with no fucking swoop. The SWAT team trying to line us like a bowling suit. I'm just trying to get money. Yeah, I'm just bowling through, bowling pin. I'm knocking them down like a bowler do. Like a bowler do.
Yeah, you right.
Talking about officer, I don't know you, I ain't talking. I'm talking about keep it walking. Yeah, little still. Talking like an envelope. Nigga, we don't squeal. And we don't talk to the snitches up in the ditches. We just on the block trying to make it out the trenches. Yeah, get a lot of riches. Yeah, do niggas filthy for that mud. Yeah, talking about we get in.
I tell that dude shit.
The cops trying to get me.
It's really your turn.
The cops trying to lock me. Yeah, the cops trying to stick me.
It's really your turn.
And I ain't gonna let them. Yeah, I'm hopping on it.
Hey, look at this
shit. You know I ain't with it. Ooh, that's that him right there. Talking about I could tell from the stem right there. Talking about ooh. Where you get this from, bitch?
We waiting on you to come home patiently, brother. We waiting on you to.
Oh, y'all fucking with
we ain't gonna let you miss that up, man.
Yeah.
For real,
and they say, ooh.
Yeah. What is that? Like Christmas came early.
They still look white like a fucking like snow is this shit.
Yeah, I said Christmas came early. And it's snowing. Yeah, I'm fucking with it. I'm puffing with it. Roll it in the back, roll it in the feeling. I'ma get higher than the fucking ceiling. Yeah, I just love the feeling. Feeling when I'm high, like a parachute. High in the sky, make me come down and I embarrass you. Yeah. I have to do. Yeah, do what I have to do. Yeah, share my food. I'm preaching like a pastor do. On this beat, called it Pastor Food. Feel so with it. Yeah, talking we on go with it. Remember them days we was outside, was at your door with it. Knock, 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 knock. We ready to go in it. Talking about you got the riches, you finna come visit. Come visit. Who's there? If you're in there or not, we coming in there. In there. Don't care if your friend there or your kin there. Yeah, as long as the fucking ends there. But we gonna get it down the window. Y'all talking about we gonna spin there, trend there. Talking me and my bro like some twins there. Talking about who let my bros in there. Talking about we in there like swimwear, no water. Talking about when I'm in the rod, I be fishing harder. I be fishing harder. Looking for the money like a father, looking for his daughter. Long lost daughter, they ain't finding for his mother. I ain't made it in them days, and I ain't even had no supper. Fuck it, I was like, fuck it. Tell my dog put on the shoes and we gon' start trucking. Get this money, cause it's either all or nothing. I be down, I'm a ball. If I come back with nothing, I'ma come back with something. Think I'm lying, no bluffing. Talking about I ain't cuffing. Lead the laws to the cuffing. Lead the law to the cuffing. Knock down your bulldogs, yeah, I start puffing. Huffing and puffing. I say smoking too. I stay lit like a smoker do. Don't make me have to smoke a dude. I ain't no murder, but don't tip me. I'll poke a dude. I ain't talking about no poker. Yeah, trying to get this money, yeah, get our smoke up. Gotta stay focused, but they trying to focus. Yeah, they got it messed up. Yeah, we gonna smoke up. Smoking like some angel dust. We're talking about you better watch when you banging when you come to us. Watch when you claiming when you come to us. Cause some shots get the bang, yeah, we aim them up. Load them up. And when the laws showing up, them hoes ain't even know it was us. I'm talking pure, gone in the dust. I'm in the wind. I'm on fuck. Them days, I ain't had it. I beat the block like a slave. Wasn't gonna stop till I came home with that pay. Yeah, I do a fucking baby's mad. She just gonna say, but when I get the damn cash, she ain't gonna have nothing to say. Yeah, I'm coming home today. A Rolling Stone, but where I lay my hat, take my shoes off, that for the night that is my home.
Oh shit. That hoe about to. Oh, I got some shit for you.
Oh,
I got some shit for you.
hey,
Are you ready, baby? For me to turn, you want me to turn the hotspot on? Hold on. You finna get up off the phone, man.
get off the phone, nigga. I'm on the grind, yeah, I ain't even coming home with you. I ain't got nothing, the dog get a bone with it. Dog and the split it with his other dog. Now we got the bone gristle. Now we got the bone gristle. When I was a kid, I wasn't at home, nigga. I was in the streets is my home where I roam, nigga. Trying to get this money early in the morning with them stones, nigga. Early in the morning with them stones, nigga. Yeah. I'm talking about, I get it on, nigga. Talking about pop and strong, flex the bone, nigga. Yeah. My niggas ain't gonna flex a bone with you. We flex and then get gone with you. Talking about bitch spray, poof, be gone with you. Still in the hood every day. Yeah, I'm known, nigga. Anywhere I go, You know I'm bone, nigga. You know I'm bone, nigga. Young dog get the bone, nigga. Yeah, I'm straight.
Somebody be getting ready to connect right now, though. I don't know. They say not connected. You see. Oh, there you go. Hey, Ronnie? Who phone is it? Who phone is it?
This my old phone.
Hey, record this shit real quick.
We ain't finna call you, nigga. We outside.
Huh?
Yeah, we finna stall you, nigga.
Hey, schoolboy, what it say? Schoolboy.
Fuck all them niggas. I know my pop shit screaming. Fuck all them niggas.
Nigga already recording.
He was?
Yeah, he was still recording.
They got me on my pocket shit screaming. Fuck all them niggas.
Nah, the speaker died, bro. I ain't turned it off.
I ain't got the shower. Just alright, man. The hell.
I'm chilling, man.
But what? I ain't turning no speaker off.
Music, that's